Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Wonderful. How are you?
I am awesome. What's about you?
Great. It's good to hear. I'm good as well. Thank you for asking. So where are you from and what do you do?
I am from right now. I am in Delhi, but my born up and brought up is in Kolkata. And currently, I am a working professional
Okay, and what do you do?
as a backend executive, and as well as a sales executive.
As well as?
Sales executive.
Wow. Great. A lot of responsibilities on your shoulders.
Yes, right.
Wonderful. And in all of this, how do you manage your finances?
Okay. I manage actually. First of all, I see that what's my expenses and what's my income. According to that, I decide uh, as per that income and expenditure. So for this, I take a step. I take a decision according to that process.
Wonderful. And why I'm talking about this is because our topic of the day,
Yes, right.
according to the notes, is financial literacy and management. Right?
Yes, right.
Wonderful. So, do you like to save or invest? What do you consider is better?
For me, actually, invest is better because when you invest, actually, when earlier I thought that saving is better, but I saved a lot, but it doesn't happen anything because when you think like that, you save the money. It should not happen like that. Something situation, something in your side, something many situation happen, and from that you can take the action, and you have to invest your saving on that situation according to that situation. So currently I am deciding to invest upon ourselves. When you invest in ourselves, then we grow drastically, and then we get lots of things. Then we get money source because money is a byproduct. When you invest in yourself, then money also comes in your side. So investment is better for me actually.
Wonderful. And where do you get your financial advice or information from? Do you like read about it, hear about it? Somebody tells you. Where do you get this information?
Okay. First of all, when I was in this process, money management, then I get to know about how to manage your money. Means how to invest money in yourself, as well as how to manage money. So I always read some books. I always read some books to think about how to use the money in a perfect way. The first book is like Think and Grow Rich. There, Think and Grow Rich, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Okay, and then the different sources is YouTube, and also I learned for my mentor. He taught me that how to manage your money and how to change your mindset according about the money, because we always in we are when we are in childhood, then we always miss we heard about our parents through our parents, through our family, through our society, that you have to put the money, you have to save the money, you because money doesn't grow in the tree, like that kind of things I always heard from my parents, from my means family and society. So from that, I changed my mindset. Okay. I changed my mindset. So because my mentor said to me that you have to change like that. That money is not like you have to catch all money and it means it will secured in your bank account. No, doesn't happen. When you invest upon yourself, in your mindset, in your means development, personality development, then definitely you will grow, then money also grow, means money will also come to you. Money means you will get money by this. So you have to invest in your mindset and in yourself. This is the best process according to my mentor, and from that I changed my mindset, and currently I am following on that, and that's all.
Wow, that is actually a very profound lesson. I was thinking about, my own days, and I was analyzing that, yeah, I mean, what do you do if you save money and not, not use it on yourself, not use it on your self improvement?
Yes.
It's just paper notes kept in
Yeah,
place.
right. Yes, right.
Yeah, okay, makes a lot of sense, and thank you for sharing that with me. It's very very
Thank
fresh.
you.
Uh, tell me your financial goals and the timelines that you've set for it.
If I say, means currently I'm working as a working professional as a backend and as well as sales. So from there, I decided that means every day I have a target about how much I have to achieve my sales target. So from there, I decided that when I was in childhood and in teenagers, I always I had always thought about that financial goals would be 10 lakh, 1 crore, like that mindset. But if you say about currently, currently I always thought that how to earn 1000 rupees, how to achieve 10,000 rupees. Like that, I am setting the goals. And from that, currently, I decided to achieve 1000 goals, 1000 rupees goals. So the timeline is 30, 20 up to 27th July. And if if I am going to achieve this 1000 rupees, I know it's thinking, it means you think that 1000 is easily can be achievable, can be achieved. But yeah, I know. But if you think, if you means it's a mindset. Actually, if you think like that, if you achieve 1000 rupees by own hard work, by own consistency, hard work, then you will value that kind of money. So because when we are in childhood, in teenagers, we always depends on upon our parents, and we easily get that money, 1000 rupees or 10,000, easily we can get. But right now, if you think like that, if I achieved 100 rupees or 1000 rupees by our efforts, by our hard work, then that money will be valuable to me. And then we thought that how to achieve 10,000 rupees. So that kind of things I manage, means I am setting on that. And if I achieved 1000 rupees, I will definitely, means my means if I achieved if I am going to achieve 1000 rupees, then I'm going to eat KFC food. So that kind of reward I'm giving on myself. It's a small it's a small achievement, but it will be bigger effect on my mind. So if I achieve 1,000 rupees, then I will definitely achieve 10,000, and like process will go on.
Okay, great. So you're basically breaking down bigger amounts into small
Yes,
and
right.
trying to achieve it on your own.
Yes,
Right?
right.
You want to be financially independent.
Yes.
Great. Okay. Now, conversation, so there's some
Actually, your voice is not clear.
now.
Help.
Is it better now?
Yes, yes, right.
So I'm saying that in our conversation so far, I have some grammatical, areas of improvement to point out. So, starting with tenses. When you were having your conversation, your words were very clear. I can understand everything. You're articulating it well, but to articulate it correctly, to focus on your tenses, right? So, like there was this one place. Actually, there were multiple, but I picked out a few. So, there was this place where you said, "Currently, I also thought." Okay. Now you are using currently, which is present time,
Okay.
and
Yes,
then
yes.
past tense. So is not matching, right? So you will say currently, I also think. Currently present tense, think present tense. So
Okay.
that is better to say. And then, then we thought that, then we think that,
Yes, yes. Right.
right? So be mindful of your tenses. How you can improve upon that is, go online, don't read about tenses rules a lot. Don't just focus on concept. Brush up your concept for 5-10 minutes, because tenses are not that big of a topic. So maybe just pick up simple present tense for one day and go through its examples. So
Okay.
read examples of simple present tense and probably do some exercises like fill in the blanks, match the following, or convert to other tenses. So when you practice examples, it helps you more than just knowing the concepts,
Okay.
right? So
Okay.
focus on sentences in that tense.
Okay. Sure.
So yeah, and then there's also this concept of subject verb agreement. Have you heard of it?
Yeah. Subject verb. You can tell about.
Subject verb agreement, basically from the name itself, says that subject and the verb should agree with each other in terms of numbers. Okay?
Okay.
For example, monkeys eat them. Monkeys eat bananas.
Hmm.
Monkeys, plural. So the verb also has to be plural. So we will say eat.
Yeah.
Plural verb is
Yes.
eat. Okay. So monkeys eat bananas. But if it is one monkey, what do we say? Monkeys,
It,
monkey eats bananas.
it's banana.
So this rule has to be clear in our head. And when we make sentences, we have to make sure we stick to this rule. Now, this is the rule for third person. For first and second, there are different exceptions. So again, I want you to take some time out and read about subject verb agreement. What YouTube videos in English. You will practice it, and you will also, understand the concept. Okay, so
Okay.
there was a sentence where you said many situations happen. Now, many plural.
Many
So
situations
situation,
happen.
yes, right? So that thing, and yes, I know I'm giving a lot of pointers right now, but I feel like you have to work on your grammar, because because your articulation is very well. You are able to bring out the words, the right words